Alright, so we're gonna make some coconut milk fresh from scratch. So we got a nice coconut here, a dry one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna break this open. We're gonna husk out the coconut from the shell, and then we're gonna grate it and juice it. So what you want to do is just get a knife. You can use the back of it and you hit it hard, or if you have a hammer that works too. But you gotta just keep hitting it, and you'll hear when it cracks. You just keep turning it while you hit it. Like I say, you're trying to break it up. Alright. Alright. That's about good right there. Alright. That's pretty much what we're looking for right there. So what we're going to do is now, a lot of people use sharp knife, but I would recommend using a butter knife. Cause that way, in case you slip, you won't dig your hand middle out, alright? So you just want to kind of go on the edge like that. Kind of work it out just like that. Alright. We're going to do the same thing for all of it. The drier the coconut, the easier this is. Yeah, the easier it is to separate the coconut from the shell itself. Alright, that looks pretty much about good. So I'm going to separate all these. We're going to wash this coconut here. Piece more here. Alright. We're going to go ahead and wash this now and get ready to grate it. So that's all nice and clean. Alright, so we're gonna move that over here now. I have a grater here. So we're gonna use the smallest side of the grater, because that's what you're going for. You don't want to use the other ones, them too big, and the smaller you do it, the more juice you're able to extract out of it. So we're gonna go ahead and just pretty much just grate this like this. Now this is the old school way. You could just throw this in a blender and just blend it all up with a little water. But you know, I'm trying to show you how we do it the old school way. Now, this you want to be careful to. You don't want your hand to slip and you end up rubbing your fingers off on this thing. So you just want to take your time. Actually hold the coconut firmly and do it properly. So pretty much what you see right here, that's what you're looking for. You wanna go ahead and grate all of it out. Okay guys, so this is all grated up. Now also there's gonna be a lot of small pieces because you're not gonna be able to fully go all the way in and grate everything all the way down, because you're gonna end up rubbing your fingers on the grate. So I end up tossing those out already. But I added an extra 2 coconuts to this, so that explains why there's so much in there. So what we're gonna go ahead and do now is transfer this into a bowl over here. All right, and now you want to make sure your hands are clean for this part. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and pour some warm water right in there. Just make it warm enough where you can work it, because we're gonna put our hands in here, or at least one hand. Now you don't want to add too much water. The more water you add, the less creamy it's gonna be. The less water you add, obviously the more creamy it's gonna be. So what you want to do is you get your hand in there and you just work it around like that. You pretty much like you squeezing the coconut milk out. You can see how creamy that is already. Using the warm water, in my opinion, helps extract it a little easier, a little bit better than just putting straight cold water. And again, this is just my version of it. This works for me. I hope it will too for you. So you just want to do this for a couple of minutes. Just keep playing with it. Every time you grab it, you squeeze it. Like you're trying to squeeze all that milk out like that. Yeah. We're gonna get ready now to strain some of this so you can see the end result. And this is good if you're trying to avoid, buying the canned ones in the store. This is 100% natural here, no preservatives in it, no coloring, none of that, all the extra stuff they be putting in there to keep it on the shelves. Alright, this look good right here. And if you want, like I said, you could still add more water to this. It all depends on you. The less water you add, like I said, the more creamy it will be. So you don't want to put too much. I think we're about good right here. So I got a little bowl right here, a strainer. We're just gonna go ahead and pour this right in the strainer. This actually look like it's not going to be a great idea right here. I mean, if some fall over the side or something, if you have a bigger strainer, that work. I got this small one here I'm trying to use. I just want to show you guys the end result of this. I'm gonna go ahead and pour that milk in. Okay. I would just pretty much go ahead and squeeze all of that. And guys, if you look right here, that's pure coconut milk right there. I don't know if you can see it from the side, but see how creamy that is and rich. That's all natural. It's a little bit more tedious, and I think you get a better product than if you put it in a blender also. So again guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I hope this works for you. Thank you.